Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your online class. Today we will discuss the last 3 points of the chapter Force and Motion under the first unit. It means we are going to complete the first unit, what? Rest and motion. And next second unit is what? Speed and velocity, that we will discuss later. Okay. So 3 points only left in this unit. Random motion, uniform motion, non-uniform motion. Already we have discussed about some different other types of motion. Rectilinear, curvilinear, translatory, periodic, non-periodic, vibratory, oscillatory, circular. Okay? And many examples I have given to you. Today just 3 are left that we will discuss. Random motion. Random is at randomly. When a body or object is moving at randomly, means in different paths. Like you can say that an object which suddenly changes its motion from one kind to another kind is said to have a random motion. Example, motion of flies, mosquito, motion of flies, random motion, like this. Motion of flies. Okay? Random motion. Like this, suddenly changes the path. See here. Changes the path. Mosquito. Okay? Motion of a hockey or football player. When they are playing the football, kicking the football. So, all these cases, objects have no specific path. Means suddenly, rapidly they are changing their paths, their motion, their what? Movement condition from one kind to another kind. They change their motion suddenly. Okay, so their motions are said to have a random motion. Okay, a flying kite also, a flying mosquito, motion of a mosquito or flying mosquito, flying kite, flying flies, butterfly, motion of a butterfly. Okay, so these are example of the what? Random motion. Next, uniform. What is a uniform motion? When a body, okay, covers equal distances in equal interval of time along the same path, along the same straight line, a body is said to have uniform motion. Clear? Okay. If not clear, then I will just explain this point by giving an example. What I told? When a body covers equal distances in equal interval of time, okay, along the same straight line, that is called uniform motion. Motion of a flying aeroplane. Motion of a what? Moving train. Fast moving train on a track. Suppose a body contains A to B, B to C, C to D. The distance between all the points are same. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to suppose 5 centimeter or 5 meter. 5 meter. Time here also 2 second, 2 second, 2 second. So here body covers A to B 5 meter in 2 seconds, B to C 5 meter in 2 seconds, C to D 5 meter in 2 seconds. मतलब हर डिस्टेंस जो है बॉडी को इक्वल टाइम में कवर कर रहा है. क्लियर? सो हियर वी कैन से दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर मूविंग बॉडी which are moving from A to D by different positions, A to B to C to D, are in uniform motion. Okay? So motion of a flying aeroplane, motion of a fastly moving train. These are the example of the uniform motion. Okay, students? Clear? With a constant speed. Constant speed. Second one, non-uniform motion. This is a uniform motion. Non-uniform motion when a body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. When a body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time, either you can say that when a body covers equal distances in unequal interval of time, whatever you want you can say, then a body is said to have non-uniform motion. Okay. For example, motion of a cyclist when he is performing cycling or he is doing cycling. जब कोई cyclist साइकिल चलाता है, so the motion of the cyclist when he is doing cycling, that is the non-uniform motion. When the brakes are applied to a fast moving car, perform describes non-uniform motion. It means a body covers equal distances in unequal time or unequal distances in equal interval of time. A to B, B to C, C to D, like this. A to B, C, D. Okay, here 2 meter, here 1 meter, here 5 meter. And time is what? 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. It means time here remains same, time constant, but the distance covering the different position between different point positions are different. Okay, here A to B 2 meter, the body covers this particular distance in 2 seconds. Here B to C distance is 1 meter, the body covers this particular distance in 2 seconds. Here distance C to D is maximum 5 meter, it will cover by a body in 2 seconds also. It means distance are not same, changing, continuously changing, but time constant. So when a body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time, the body is said to have non-uniform motion, or the body is said to be describing non-uniform motion. Okay, students, clear? Motion of a cyclist while doing cycling. Motion of a car when we applied a brakes on the fast moving car. These are the example of uniform, non-uniform motion and random motion. Motion of a mosquito, flying mosquito. Okay, motion of flying flies, motion of flying kite, motion of football player, hockey player, random motion. Clear, students? So these 3 points that was left that already we have discussed here. So go through this video and try to understand all 3 points. Any doubt you can ask. Next, exercise 2.1, that will provide the solution of the short questions and long questions. You have to write it in your copy and send it for correction. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Uniform motion and non-uniform motion. A body is said to be in uniform motion if it travels equal distances in equal intervals of time. A body is said to have non-uniform motion if it travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time. For example, consider a car moves from one position to another position about 16 meters distance within time t 8 seconds. Here, the car starts from O and after 2 seconds, it reaches position A covering a distance of 4 meters from the origin as shown. In next 2 seconds, it reaches position B covering a distance of 8 meters from origin, and in next 2 seconds, it reaches C covering a distance of 12 meters from origin, and in next 2 seconds, it reaches D covering a distance of 16 meters from origin. In this case, the car covers a total distance of 16 meters in 8 seconds with equal intervals of 2 seconds. It means that the distance covered by the car is directly proportional to the time. From this illustration, we can conclude that the car had travelled equal distances in equal intervals of time. So, this type of motion is known as uniform motion. Another example. Consider a car moves from one position to another position about 16 meters distance within time t 8 seconds. Here, the car starts from O and after 2 seconds it reaches position A covering a distance of 2 meters from the origin as shown. It reaches position B covering a distance of 8 meters from origin, and in next 2 seconds it reaches C covering a distance of 10 meters from origin, and in next 2 seconds it reaches D covering a distance of 16 meters from origin. In this case, the car covers a distance of 16 meters in each 2-second interval. From this illustration, we can conclude that the car had travelled unequal distances in equal intervals of time. So, this type of motion is called as non-uniform motion.